A for ant, B for bat, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for coin, R for rose, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for yak, Z for zebra। बाय बाय बच्चों, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और लाइक करो। बाय बाय।